And this is just to kind of show context with what we're working with. It's Las Vegas. It is August the 27th. It's 2:39 p.m. I'm now just outside of Snap Fitness, and there we go. You see that? Okay. I'm going to go into the shade so you can see we're in the shade, and I've got a temperature gauge here. So you can read that. It's climbing. We're at 98.6. 99, 99.379. Well, it's Vegas, you can kind of see we're even in the shade. It's pretty hot. We'll go out into the sun and you'll see it'll jump quite a bit more. So now we're well over probably 103, 104 degrees, most likely 105 total. But anyway, I'll kind of just to give you context here, walking back into the gym, and see everything's cleaned out, so nothing's in here. Going back over, and you can see we're at 79, 78, and 79. So 241, 242. 79, and you can see that everything is operational and working, and the temperature is dropping inside. So that's just proof that the air conditioners are working. I'm only doing this to document. Again, it's August the 27th, about 2:30, and just wanted to document that the air conditioners work.